Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome biggity back, y'all. Hey, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. My name is Kelsi, and I'm here for you guys all the time, it feels like, to talk about my VSG journey. I wanted to come on here and just do an intro for my video, or for my giveaway reveal video. Congratulations to the winner. And if you didn't win, listen, don't get discouraged. Just keep in tune with my channel. Barimelts is a wonderful company that keeps me stocked, and that is also doing a good job in keeping you guys stocked too. You guys are all winners in my eyes, but unfortunately there can only be one winner in Barimelts' eyes, at least this week or this month, whatever, for this big giveaway. So congratulations, I'm so excited to the winner. So whoever is the selected or the winner, the giveaway winner, you will need to contact Barimelts through their Instagram page, their verified Instagram page, and they'll, get your contact information and get your winnings sent out to you. You just need to mention that you won Kelsi Danielle's Barimelts giveaway, and yeah, they'll take it from there. So like I said, congratulations. I'm really excited for you. I hope you enjoy the Barimelts. I hope you are able to make them your long-standing vitamin provider. If you are interested, you guys can use my coupon code for 20% off of your order. It's not winning, but you win in some way because you're getting money off of your purchase. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Congratulations, and I will see you guys later. Gotta go into work. Bye.